welcome back to my channel. This is Tanishka and you're watching Tales by Tanishka. In today's video, we are stepping away from ordinary clocks and creating something really cool, a DIY wall clock made up with cards instead of numbers. It's creative, fun and perfect for car lovers. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So for the material, I headed to Itsy Bitsy and biggest shout out to them. Not sponsored though, but यहाँ पर सारा सामान आपको मिल जाता है. You can order it online also. So this store is one stop solution for all the craft glues. So people, if you're making this and you really want to have a texture on your MDF board, please don't use acrylic colors. I did it twice, not once, and failed both of the times. So first I painted the base white and then I again painted it. मेरे को लग रहा था कि वो नीचे से उसके थोड़े impressions दिख रहे हैं wood के, but second base maybe it was the same. Then I tried to have a texture with foil paper and it also failed. Then comes sand to the rescue and I quickly grabbed a sand from my flower pot. बेसिकली जो हमारे घर में मम्मियाँ गमले लगाती हैं उसकी मिट्टी. आई स्टेन्ड इट, सारे इसके पार्टिकल्स हटाए. आई एडिड सम ग्लू, देन अ लिटिल वाटर टू डाइल्यूट इट एंड जस्ट इन्जॉय द प्रोसेस. आपको देख के सब कुछ समझ आ ही जाएगा. Honestly, it was so therapeutic. So I tried to do it with a brush firstly, but नहीं हो पा रहा था, तो we did it Indian way. I used my hands and the texture that came out was so amazing, and I left this board for like 24 hours to dry and get hardened up, and this is the result that I was looking for, and I got it the next day after 24 hours, 24 to 28 hours something. It is winters तो थोड़ा टाइम लगा सूखने में, but it came out so beautiful. So it is the next day and पूरा texture आ चुका है and the base is very dry. अब हम इस पे ग्रे कलर का पेंट करेंगे. मैंने मिक्स करके कलर बना लिया है. और ये बिल्कुल ग्रे कलर है. वीडियो में थोड़ा लाइटिंग की वजह से डिफरेंट लग रहा है. अब हम इसको थोड़ा हाईलाइट करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ फ्लैट टिप ब्रश, उस पर वाइट कलर लेकर. So basically I was making a wall clock with cars instead of numbers, so I thought of giving it a very rude kind of a look, so I tried it roughly. Then after drying it up for like another 12 hours, I applied a paste of varnish. थोड़ा सा मेरा varnish पुराना था I think, so वो yellowish tone आ गया इस पर. Otherwise everything was perfect and varnish was very necessary to secure the paint. Otherwise वो chip off हो जाता. And एक और mishap हो गया था that I really forgot to add the flag वाला sticker. So I first added the machinery and the needles, then I removed it. And a pro tip here, if you are doing it for the first time, just be careful and be gentle with the needles, otherwise वो bend हो जाती है and it won't work. So I had to. So officially it's day 3 of making our clock and I just finished my 6th or 7th round to the market. एक बारी में चीज़ें आती नहीं है, चीज़ें आती है तो वो ख़राब हो जाती हैं, फिर हमें दोबारा लेनी पड़ती हैं. So and I totally forgot to shoot, so I went to my regular घड़ी वाले भैया जो ठीक करते हैं, और हमने नीडल्स उनसे फिक्स करवाए. बाकी सब हम कुछ कर चुके थे. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू फिक्स द कार्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लू गन, क्योंकि फेविक्विक और फेविकॉल से चीज़ नहीं हो रही है. सो वी आर स्विचिंग टू ग्लू. आई डोंट नो इट्स जस्ट टेलीविंटर्स और एनीथिंग, बट आई फील वेरी sick right now and everything feels like a task, like even small things like just go to market और कुछ भी छोटे छोटे काम वो इतने भारी, इतने बड़े लग रहे हैं दैट आई रियली नीड टू पुश माई सेल्फ. बट येस, हम ये करेंगे बिकॉज this is not just another regular DIY project. This is for my best friends. He loves cars and I really want to make gift or something, like I really wanted to gift him something handmade, so I thought of a wall clock. Let's quickly paste the cars with the help of a glue gun. Let me quickly do the cost cutting for you all. This costed me around 2,000 to 200, like 2,200, and it is perfect for gifting purpose to your near and dear ones and to all the carper glues. Agar if you want to make a clock for your room, it is also perfect. You can manage the size according to you and the cars. हाँ भैया.